Good Monday, everyone. Our weather map for today shows lots of unsettled weather across the country, from a flash flood threat across the Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi border to widespread severe thunderstorms and flash flooding across the northern plains. Even some rain snow mix showers across the northern Rockies there you see across Idaho and Montana. And then you see that little frontal boundary there that's off the southeast coast that stretches from South Georgia out into the ocean. Going to have to keep an eye on that. That might lead to some tropical development that may lead to some impacts to the Georgia, South Carolina coast later this weekend of the weekend. So something to keep an eye on there. Another disturbance in the southwestern Gulf, which you can't see on this map. It cuts it off just shy of that. It could go into Mexico. So the tropics have become a little bit more active, and the weather on the mainland of the U.S. is a little bit more active today. Our 5-day forecast, brought to us by Clearview Closet and Blind, shows that our weather here at home, not so active. We have about a 30% chance for a shower or thunderstorm today, especially this afternoon and evening as the heat and humidity begins to build again. Much like yesterday, many of us stayed dry, but some of you all got some good rain. In fact, down around Spencer, they had a flood warning. They had over 3 inches of rain down there. And places over around Lebanon, between Lebanon and Nashville, some of those places got 2 to 4 inches of rain at least. So it's hit and miss, and if you get hit, you get a downpour. Tuesday and Wednesday, partly cloudy skies, highs in the upper 80s, continued humid. And then Thursday and Friday, mostly sunny, hot. Highs around 90, lows around 67-ish or so, and very, very humid. Premier Generators brings us our threat graphic, and widespread severe weather is not expected. The only chance for storms is today, at least the better chance of storms, I should say. We never can rule out an isolated shower or storm when it gets hot and humid, but today's definitely our better chance. But any storm that does develop could produce torrential downpour, gusty winds, and frequent lightning, so just be aware of that. On this day in 1882, a tornado traveled more than 200 miles across the state of Iowa, killing 130 people. The tornado touched down about 90 miles west of Grinnell and struck the town and college around sunset, killing 60 people, causing $500,000 in damage. Traveled 60 miles an hour to hit Mount Pleasant at about 11 p.m. I mean, can you believe this? I mean, that's 6 p.m. to 11, causing another $500,000 in damage. And that's in 1882. Can you imagine how the population has probably increased since then? You folks have a wonderful Monday and keep looking up. For more weather information, meteorologistmark.com.